I'm so happy to come in front of you. I thank God for the wonderful, wonderful things He has done in our family, in our lives. Today I'm standing in front of you to share one beautiful thing what He has done in our family. చాలాసార్లు నేను ఈ టెస్టిమెంట్ షేర్ చేసుకున్నాను. మా చిన్నబాబు డాక్టర్ ఆల్బర్ట్ అభినయ్ కోట. He was a doctor in CMC Vellore. హాస్పిటల్ వాళ్ళు 2 yearsకి గాను అబ్జర్వర్షిప్కి ఆస్ట్రేలియా పంపించారు. అంటే ఇట్ వాజ్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ 3 months అబ్జర్వర్షిప్ అండ్ 3 months ఇన్ యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్. కానీ ఎప్పుడైతే ఆస్ట్రేలియాలో 3 months చేశాడో అట్ ద ఎండ్ హీ హ్యాస్ టు సబ్మిట్ ఎ రిపోర్ట్. యూజువల్లీ ఇండియన్ డాక్టర్స్ ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి కూడా వాళ్ళు తీసుకోరు, కానీ హీ కుడ్ ఏబుల్ టు ప్రజెంట్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎ 10-page రిపోర్ట్. ఇట్ సీమ్స్ హీ హ్యాస్ డన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అంటే అబ్జర్వర్షిప్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు they cannot touch the patient. They have to only observe what's going on. So he wrote everything and then he turned in. Immediately the chief of that hospital, he said, we would like to have you as a doctor. And for 2 years he was given permission, but India lo kuda wala chief kuda permission ivali kabatti they happily accepted and he came to Australia and then he worked there. After 2 years of completion, it was only like 2 years temporary, but they wanted to hire him as a permanent consultant and a doctor because of his work ethics. But the target is he has to take because he was a international doctor, he has to take a test, which is like a 3 hours test. But because of God's grace and the skill what He has given to my son, they said, we will exempt you from taking that test. 2 reasons. He was a gold medalist in India and he was a President's Awardee for vascular surgery. And they exempted him from the test, but he has to go for a interview. And on Thursday it was there, and David and I all have prayed for that. And on Thursday the doctors congratulated him and he was selected for that position as a permanent doctor, as a consultant in Australia. So really, really our God is a great God. He is a prayer answering God. If any one of you get disappointed, నేను ప్రార్థన చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాను నాకు జవాబు రాలేదని ఎప్పుడూ డిసప్పాయింట్ అవ్వద్దు. When once you pray, He knows even before prayer, He knows what you need. కానీ ఆయన సమయంలో చేస్తాడండి. అది మీరు దయచేసి గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని and please continue praying. And today really we had a very good message about the Great Commission. మీ అందరికీ గుర్తుంటుంది, డేవిడ్ బ్రదర్ చిరుపాటి గారు ఎప్పుడు కూడా గ్రేట్ కమిషన్ నుంచి మనకు చెప్తూనే ఉంటారు. సో లెట్ us start working on that and let this small church become the great with the Great Commission. Thank you so much, pastors.